following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 10:30 a.m., a mysterious white figure has been roaming across the streets of Pierre. This figure is 2.38 meters in height, arms that are 1.5 meters, and will kill people via physical contact. This creature can open its mouth 4 times the size of an average human. Stay safe, and stay tuned for further updates on the situation. At 1:20 p.m., the urgent update has been issued by the United States government. We identified this figure as SCP-096. We managed to neutralize the threat. It is now safe to go outside. Normal programming may continue.